This is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. Just a really brief analysis of what happened on Friday. I sent you a video on Friday, made a video about two currencies that I was watching, gold and the US dollar, Canadian dollar. So what happened? We were all waiting for the non-farm payroll to come out, and it did. And it was very volatile, as it always is. So what happened was here at 8 o'clock on this candle, the news was very good. Okay, so very good for the U.S. side. It was all green on forexfactory.com and on investing.com. So good news, which meant that gold would go down and the U.S. dollar was going up. But in the first half hour, the news came out at 8:30. It only went down a little bit. Okay, didn't seem to be that much of an impact. But then at 9 o'clock, 30 minutes after the news came out, that's when it really kicked in. And that 9 o'clock candle, 9 o'clock in Thailand, 9 p.m., 9 o'clock till 10 o'clock, 100 pips on that 1 hour candle. That was awesome. That was absolutely amazing. And what did it do? It came down exactly to the Fullerton signal that we receive on Friday morning. Remember, Fullerton Markets will send us signals for 7 currency pairs, and gold as well is one of those. And the signal was that it would come right down here. As long as it stayed below this pivot point here, the signal was that it would come down to this, what is that, 1278. And that's exactly where it came. It hit that and then started to recover a little bit during the after 11 p.m. and then onwards. The market closed in the U.S. and everybody in the afternoon on Friday afternoon in the U.S. wants to go home, so it's usually pretty quiet for the later hours on a Friday evening. And then I also told you I had one open on the U.S. CAD. I had there was Canadian news also at 8:30 p.m. on Friday night, and I had an order open, a short order, and wasn't quite sure what was going to happen. The news for the Canadian dollar was also very, very good, and that overshadowed the impact of the good news for the U.S. dollar. So the U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar continued to go down. It spiked up for just a little bit, but not much, and then it continued to move downwards. So I've held this order open over the weekend. It's now in profit, and I have my take profit just a little bit below here, and I'll take profit probably on Monday afternoon or Monday evening on that one. So I hope you all had good trading on Friday evening, watching the very volatile news that came out late Friday evening, and wish you all the best for this coming week. Now we're getting into the second week of January, and the markets are starting to settle down. Of course, we get volatility with news, but the markets seem to be, anyway, starting to do what we expect them to do what we analyze them to do, within reason, of course. But this is becoming a lot of fun now. It seems that all of that volatility and craziness of December is past us, and I'm looking forward to some great trading in 2019, and look forward to making some new courses, some new strategies will be coming out very soon, so we'll all keep in touch. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're watching it on Facebook, please like and share with your friends. Okay, thanks, and see you again on Monday.